So my wife has been begging me, literally begging me.
Begging you, please, please.
Find an Alaska cruise for 2027 for our family to go on. Well, here's the cruise deal that satisfies her need and keeps me out of the doghouse. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and welcome to our cruise deal show today. Today we're going to talk about Alaska for 2027. Yeah, 2 years away from now. But you know what? It's always good to book early, mainly because you get great pricing and also you get to look forward to something in the future that you can really kind of hope and dream about for a little bit and kind of savor when you finally do go on. But before we get into that, I want to thank each and every one of you folks who have become a subscriber to Cruise Seekers. Thank you so much for doing it. It is so appreciated by me and my wife, Cheryl. It means the world to us. Again, thank you so much for doing that. But if you're new here and you're just kind of thinking about hitting the subscribe button, but you haven't done so just yet, think about hitting that subscribe button. Turn that notification bell on. It is so important to us. Thank you so much for doing that. And while you're down there, hey, hit that like button. It does help that YouTube algorithm. It does help this community grow so that we can get you these great cruise deals and give you some cool tips and tricks as well along the way. Thank you for doing that as well. All right, Alaska 2027. My wife has been really wanting to do this again. Me, not so much. I like warm weather. She likes cold. But you know what? Happy wife, happy life.
I know. Happy wife, happy life.
So here we go again, folks. We're going to Alaska and I'll be on this ship with Cheryl and my family. Let's get into the information of what we're going to be doing. So let's talk exactly what we're going to be doing in Alaska. We are going to be on the Celebrity Edge on September 17th of 2027. We chose specifically the Celebrity Edge mainly because I think the Edge class ships are the perfect ship for Alaska. I think they're much better than a balcony. You get the extra space in that room for Alaska, as well as those beautiful views from those amazing windows that you get in the Infinite Veranda. And you can open up that window if you want, or if you want to stay warm, keep the windows closed and still see those breathtaking views in the comfort of your room, which is awesome. I think it's perfect for me, especially since I do not like the cold. I'm not a big fan of it. So the Edge works perfectly for us. And we do love those Celebrity Edge class ships. They are just beautiful, beautiful ships. You will not be disappointed going to Alaska on the Celebrity Edge for sure. The next thing we like to talk about when we talk about what we're doing is the itinerary. The itinerary is the Alaska Big Three. We're talking about Juno, Skagway, and Ketchikan. You're going to those big three. You're also going to go to Victoria, British Columbia, and the scenic cruising that you're going to be doing on this cruise is up the Tracy Arm and Dawes Glacier. That's the goal. That's what we're hoping to see. I hope we can get close to Dawes Glacier. Every single time we tend to go there, it seems like we just don't get really close. And it's like, oh, there's the glacier all the way down there.
I see nothing, Commander.
But, you know, it is what it is. It's still quite beautiful to go up that arm. It is a gorgeous fjord in Alaska. All right, so now that you know the ship, now that you know the sail date, and now that you know the itinerary, let's get a little bit into the pricing that we have. Okay, so let's get into the pricing. The pricing I have is for 2 people in the cabin. This is stateroom pricing, not per person. You're going to also get with this pricing the Celebrity all-included package. That's your classic drinks and your basic unlimited Wi-Fi. You're also going to get a 100% refundable deposit. The deposit on this cruise is $500 US, and it's really nice to have that refundable deposit, especially since we're planning 2 years out in the future, and you never know what life might bring you in those 2 years. It's nice to know and have that peace of mind that you can get all your money back if you do have to cancel. So let's get with the pricing. The first pricing that I have is for Aqua Class. Aqua Class also gets you access to Blue as well as the thermal suite on the Celebrity Edge. The price for those Aqua Class cabins are $5,429.64. This saves you over $1,000 versus the Celebrity website for the same exact perk package and the same exact deposit policy. Because if you went there, the price would be $6,484.64. A really nice savings. The next one we have is Concierge Class. Concierge Class gets you those extra loyalty points to go up the loyalty tree faster with Celebrity, plus a couple other nice perks that will help you enjoy your cruise just a little bit better. The price for Concierge concierge class is $4,689.64. That's a really nice savings versus the celebrity website price. The celebrity website price wants $5,692.64. So almost $1,000 savings there as well. Next we have are the infinite veranda. That's the cabin category that Cheryl and I are going to be cruising in. The price for those infinite verandas are $4,313.64. That's a really nice price savings versus the celebrity website price, because if you went there, it's $5,212.64. A really nice savings there too. And if you do not like those infinite verandas and you want a true balcony, we do have those deluxe porthole views with veranda. A lot of my clients do love these cabins on the Edge class ships because you do get that ability to kind of separate outside and inside, and people sometimes still like that. I think it's a great option for those people who do not like those infinite verandas but want the luxury and the beauty of an Edge class ship. The price for those deluxe porthole views with verandas are $4,275.64. And that's a really nice price savings versus the celebrity website price of $5,164.64. Now, if you do not want a veranda classroom and you want to save even more money on an Alaska cruise, we do have ocean views and inside cabins for you as well. Those ocean views are $3,529.64. That saves you a nice amount of money versus celebrity website price of $4,184.64. And those deluxe inside cabins are $3,153.64. And that's a really nice savings versus celebrity website pricing as well, because if you went there, it's $3,704.64 for the same perk package and the same refundable deposit. Now, if you ask me, I really do like those deluxe insides. They are really good size for an inside cabin, much bigger than a lot of other cruise lines inside cabins. And that's what you want when you go to Alaska. You need some space to pack away all the different types of clothing you're going to need. And it's nice to have that extra space in an inside cabin. So I convinced you want to go on the Celebrity Edge on September 17th of 2027 with me and Cheryl and my family as well. We also have a few other really good clients coming with us, already booked, ready to go, and we would love to have you there too with us. If you want to do that, the best way to do it is to give us a call at the number right there down below. If you hit extension 1, that will bring you to me, Robert. If you hit extension 2, that will bring you to my wife, Cheryl. Now, if you do not want to give us a call, but you do want to get information or you do want to book and you just don't have the ability to call right now, I will leave a link in the description down below. If you click that link, it will bring you to a travel interest survey form. Fill out that travel interest survey form and we will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. And finally, if you're sitting in your living room and you're watching YouTube and you do not have access to a keyboard or a mouse just yet, well, I'm going to put a QR code right there. If you aim your phone at that QR code, it will bring you to that same exact travel interest survey form. Fill it out. Let us know you want to go on the Celebrity Edge for September 17th, 2027 to Alaska, and we will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. So there you go, folks. That is our cruise deal for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you come along with us to Alaska in 2027. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. It does help that YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find this cruise channel, and it also helps other people find this great deal so that they can cruise along with you. Thank you so much for doing that. If you've been watching this long, and you haven't hit the subscribe button just yet, think about subscribing, turn that notification bell on. Thank you so much for doing that. And while we're talking about YouTube algorithm and stuff, why don't you leave a comment down below? We love comments. We love talking to people in the comment section. It also does help that YouTube algorithm. So leave a comment down below. We love engaging with you folks in the comment section. Let us know if you've been on the Edge. Let us know if you like Alaska. Let us know anything you want to talk about in the comment section below. Thank you for doing that. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Bye now.